SalonDivaV in the place to be, y'all. My God. So, I'm out today briefly because it's cold outside. I'm getting ready to harvest. I need some scissors. Getting ready to harvest my eggplant. And because I'm cooking eggplant today. I don't know if I'm gonna cut. That's gonna cut. It's cold outside, so we're gonna be out here briefly. But before I do that, show you guys so that is the banana plant. It is doing well since I cut it maybe about a week ago. It's doing well, but it's cold outside, so I don't know. That's the mom. She is doing okay. So we're gonna find those eggplant that I had. That one is kind of small. This is a nice size one right here. So I'm gonna harvest this one. I don't think I can get it. This one, I don't know, should I harvest this one or should I try to let it grow a little bit bigger? Teeny tiny, teeny. And then there's another one over here that's like really tiny. So I think I'm gonna let them grow a little bit more. And this is the other one. But something been chomping on it. So I don't know. Should I take it or should I leave it? I think this one is a good size right now to add with the other ones that is in the kitchen. So yeah. Let me check to see, make sure. I don't see no aphids since the last time I sprayed them with water. So they're still growing, still looking good. No beans, no peas, or whatever you want to call it. It is cold, so maybe that's why they're not out here. But let me get back inside because my lovey is here doing my lovey duties. Babysitting the grandbaby. Oh, child, wait. Maybe I should. I ain't got time to do all that right now. I ain't come out here for all that. All right. Here we go. So y'all, basically I'm just cutting up all my eggplant. But when I tell you I cut this eggplant open and it smelled like an apple, just some fruit, I was like, oh my goodness. So y'all, today officially starts the first day of Vlogmas, and I plan to post a video every day this month for Vlogmas. I'm going to try to stay committed to it this year. I'm going to try. And also, y'all, if you have not checked out my Vlogmas for last year, go and check it out. I did do at least 15 days out of the month, I think. So, yeah. Go and check that out. Also, if you haven't checked out my lifestyle channel, it's called SalonDivaV. That's SalonDivaV. So go ahead on and check out that channel. I'll be posting some new videos over there. And now I'm about to finish cooking this eggplant. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And comment below if you have ever had smothered eggplant. I've never had eggplant with ground beef in it. I've never even heard of smothered eggplant with ground beef in it. But and this is the only way I know how to fix mine, with shrimp in there. So yeah. So my peanut woke up and I had to tend to him and try to cook at the same time. So I did not film the rest of the video with me cooking and actually enjoying my smothered eggplant. But here is the result. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. SalonDivaV in the place to be, y'all.